Imagine this. You're 25 or 30 or even 40. You have a job, maybe a little savings, but every time money comes up, you freeze. Investing, budgeting, debt, retirement, it all feels like a foreign language, like everyone else already knows the secret and you're the only one left behind. That quiet panic in your chest, that fear of making a huge mistake, that voice whispering, "I'll figure it out later." I know it. Millions of beginners feel it every single day. But here's the truth almost no one tells you. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be a math genius. You don't need a finance degree. You just need to start the right way in 2026. Stay with me, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to hand you the exact beginner roadmap that turns total confusion into real confidence and fear into freedom. You're watching the Personal Finance Channel. Let's be honest. Most beginners don't fail because they're bad with money. They fail because they never start, or they start with the wrong advice. They hear, invest in crypto, or buy this stock, and they get overwhelmed or burned. So today, no hype, no get rich quick, just the simple 7-step roadmap every beginner needs in 2026. Follow these, and you'll be miles ahead of most people your age. Step 1. Stop avoiding it. Face your numbers today. The number one reason beginners stay stuck? They don't look. They avoid opening the bank app. They ignore bills. They pretend it's fine. But ignoring money problems doesn't make them disappear. It makes them grow. Action right now? Spend just 20 minutes today. Write down your monthly take-home pay, your fixed bills, rent, utilities, phone, your average spending on food, fun, transport, any debt, credit cards, loans, student loans. It might feel scary. You might feel ashamed, but that feeling, it's temporary. And once you see the truth, you can finally take control. Step 2. Kill the silent leaks. Track every dollar for 30 days. Here's where beginners lose thousands every year without noticing. Tiny habits, extra coffee, unused subscriptions, impulse Amazon buys, treat yourself moments. They feel harmless, but they compound into real damage. Quick fix? For the next 30 days, track every single expense. Use a free app, Mint, YNAB, or just phone notes. You'll be shocked at first, but that shock turns into power. Most people find $200 to $500 a month in leaks and can redirect it to savings or debt. Step 3. Build your safety net. The game changer. No emergency fund equals panic every time life happens. One car repair, one medical bill, one lost job, and you're in high-interest debt. Beginner rule for 2026. Aim for 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses in cash. Put it in a high-yield savings account, 4 to 5% interest right now. Start tiny, $50 to $100 per paycheck. Automate it. The day you hit $1,000, something shifts. You breathe easier. You stop fearing the unexpected. That peace of mind, worth more than any stock tip. Step 4. Stop saving only, start multiplying. Saving in a normal bank account in 2026? Inflation eats it alive. Beginners win by growing money. Easy first step. Open a brokerage account. Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, beginner-friendly. Put $50 to $100 a month into a simple S&P 500 index fund. No stock picking, no timing the market, just consistent investing. It's boring, but boring beats exciting long-term. In 10 to 15 years, that habit turns small amounts into real money. Step 5. Tackle high-interest debt fast. Debt is the biggest beginner killer. Credit cards at 20 to 30% interest, they trap you. Priority. Pay off high-interest debt first. Avalanche, highest rate first. Or snowball method, smallest balance first for motivation. Freeze new debt. Cut cards if needed. Every $1,000 you pay off feels like freedom. Less stress. More options. Step 6. Protect yourself. The basics. Beginners skip this and regret it. Do these now. Get term life insurance if you have dependents. Cheap and simple. Check your credit score for free once a year and fix errors. Build good credit habits. Pay bills on time. These aren't exciting, but they prevent disasters. Step 7. Set one small goal and celebrate it. Most beginners quit because goals feel huge. Start tiny. Save $500 emergency fund by June. Pay off $1,000 credit card by end of year. Invest $100 a month starting now. When you hit it, celebrate. Buy something small. Feel the win. That momentum is what turns beginners into winners. So here's the 2026 beginner truth. You don't need more money to start. You need a plan. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Most people wait for the right time. The right time is now. You're watching this, which means you're already ahead. If this gave you even 1% more hope, smash that like button. Subscribe to the Personal Finance channel right now. We're building real wealth together. Weekly videos, no fluff, just steps that work. Hit the bell so you never miss the next one. Comment below, right now, what's the #1 money fear or confusion you have as a beginner? Let's turn it into your biggest win. You've got this. See you in the next one.